Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Kroger. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kroger.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kroger website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to delete your account, click on your user ID at the top right once again, and then click on My Account. From the My Account page, click on Profile at the left side, and then scroll all the way down, and you will see the Delete My Account button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will now see a long list of warning. Make sure that you read through it and understand the consequences. And if you wish to continue, click on the Delete My Account button. After clicking on this, you will be asked to confirm your identity either by using your password or by using a verification code that will be sent within your email. After verifying your identity, you will be logged out from your Kroger account, and based on the information within the website, it will take up to 5 business days to delete your account. So until 5 days, you will still have the time to log back into your account to cancel the deletion process. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Kroger. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.